Sunflowers are beautiful, sunflowers are healthy, and sunflowers are a great business opportunity in Tanzania. The country contributes over a third of all the sunflower seeds produced in Africa. Yet, half of the cooking oil in Tanzania is imported, which makes the country to use more than 100 million each year just to import cooking oil. For the most Tanzanians, this basic daily use product is so unaffordable that they sometimes cook without cooking oil. Worse yet, the farmers who work so hard to produce these sunflower seeds still lives under €1 per day. And all these are contributed by three main factors. First, sunflower seeds are exported, processed overseas, and then returned as a very expensive cooking oil. Second, the farmers, most of them are smallholder farmers with no storage facilities, no marketing skills, hence they have to depend on the middlemen to sell their produce, and this middleman earns 10 times more than the farmers. And third, the country lacked modern machinery to transform these seeds into high-quality cooking oil. My name is Brigitta Faustin, a founder of OBRI Tanzania, and for the past 2 years, we've been working with sunflower growers to process, brand and supply high-quality, affordable, and healthy sunflower cooking oil. And our target is low-income families in Tanzania, which constitute about 80% of our population today. And why do we choose to work with sunflower oil? Because sunflower oil has got fatty acids and vitamins, which are essential to human body. And what does OBRI Tanzania is doing? OBRI Tanzania first train farmers on sustainable agriculture, that the farmers, they don't have to use pesticide at all during farming. And through this training, the farmers' productivity increase, and at the same time, we get the quality seeds that we want. And second, we buy the sunflower seeds directly from the farmers, twice as much as they used to get to be paid by the middlemen. And then third, we process, we brand, and we supply this high-quality cooking oil half of the price of our competitors. To date, we are working with 317 farmers, out of which 90% of these farmers are women. We've been able to increase the revenue of our farmers from just under €2 per day to €7 per day. And €7 is the middle income class in Tanzania. We have done all this, and as a company, we've gained revenue. We've been able to grow as a company from €100,000 in year one to €300,000 in year two, and we are on track to triple this amount by 2020. We are here tonight seeking for investors, and with €100,000, we'll be able to buy a bigger processing machine from the current 5 tons processing plants that we're working now to 15 processing plants per day. Again, with that investment, we'll be able to invest in a bigger storage facilities. We are also looking on partnership for organic and fair trade certifications. And with these certifications, we'll be able to increase the numbers of our supply network to over 600 farmers. I welcome you all to speak with me after this presentation. And for those who you are watching at home, please feel free to visit our website, obritanzania.com, and learn more about our work. In Swahili, we have a saying, wakati ni sasa, which means time is now. And wakati ni sasa to invest in OBRI Tanzania. Thank you so much.